This is Zach right here. I'm with one of our best priority probate system students, Chris here, and Chris is just going to tell you how he has used his priority probate system and how it's worked for him.
Yeah, definitely. I think sending probates can be kind of like guesswork. People don't really know what to do. I mean, that's how I started. I figured out how to pull the probate filings for my county. And then I was just sending these random letters with no real strategy and just kind of crossing my fingers. And so Rick and his team helped me out, setting up a strategy, having consistency going with those mailers, and really took a bunch of the guesswork out of it. And we've closed deals on that, one for $28,000. We've got one closing in this month for $45,000. So, you know, the probates are a little more spread out, but when they do hit, they're great. And some of those little nuanced things that I learned from Rick and his guys, one secret, don't talk price over the phone with them. And that alone was a huge thing for me. And you know what? We actually had a deal for $47,000 at the beginning of last month. That was a probate deal as well. So all of our biggest deals have been probate deals. So having those huge hits along with everything else we're doing for marketing has just been an absolute game changer. So if you're not doing it and you haven't bought this program, then you're definitely missing out. I highly, highly recommend it. Plus, Rick's just a great guy. Zach's a stud. So,
okay, so you think you got a good ROI from a quick $200 product?
Totally.
So
I mean,
over six figures.
Oh, I mean, it's not even a question. The ROI is crazy. You should be charging way more for this. I would buy it 10 times over. There's no doubt.
And so, what do you have to say to the guys that say the system doesn't work?
I mean, anything works. It's just you have to work it and you have to be consistent with it. And I mean, for example, this one that we're doing, making $45,000 at the end of this month.
Wow.
That's a letter from November. So it's, you know, it's not about happening overnight. It's about being consistent on it, and the results will come. And when they do come, the ROI is, you know, 10,000% of your original investment.
Definitely.
So it's just it's so worth it. I can't think why, if you're serious about real estate investing, why you wouldn't want to invest in something like this. It just seems crazy to me to not do that.
So thank you so much, Chris.
You got it, man.
I appreciate everything.
For sure.
And you could be the next Chris.